Hello, this is Gerd Olsen from Godtvollen Soap. I will now cut up my candy cane soap I did yesterday. Here you can see the side. I think it's a lovely side on this soap. And the other. So here we start. I'll just place it on my cutter here. And I will take off our end piece first. And here you can see the inside of it, just the way I want it. It shall remind you of a candy cane. When you see this soap. Like you see. It's a lovely soap. And the scent is stayed true in the cure time and everything. I'm quite happy with it. Like you see. It's a lovely soap. And the red is a lovely red too. It's a light red in my eyes. But that it's okay. And like you see, it's a lovely soap this. I really love how this become. Like you see. I really love it. It's just the way I wanted it to be and what I was aiming for. Here is the top of it. Again, quite nice. The top too. I think it became quite nice. And this will be ready cure for the 1st of December, so people can buy soap from me and know they came in good time before Christmas. That is what I'm aiming for. Like you see. Just a lovely soap this. It didn't have some glycerin rivers inside it. I haven't seen no one. So I didn't get any glycerin reverse in this soap. That I'm happy about. And now for my last cut. And that is the other end piece. And that is the back side of it. And here's the last soap bar. Like you see, it's just a lovely soap this. I really love how it become. So if you have a question, comment, leave them below and I will answer you. And if you want to buy this one, visit my web shop. It will be posted on my website in about 1st of December. So this is all I got for now. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.